Hi, and welcome back to the Healthy Voyager. I'm Carolyn Scott, and this time you're joining me in Cabo.
Cabo San Lucas is a paradise destination that offers a mix of natural beauty, vibrant nightlife, and thrilling outdoor adventures. Located at the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula in Mexico, Cabo is famous for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and year-round sunshine. Hacienda del Mar Los Cabos Resort offers a truly magical vacation experience. With so much to explore, the resort's luxurious amenities, rejuvenating spa, and exquisite dining options, there's no shortage of what to do in and around the Hacienda Resort. To start, from your own private oasis, you can enjoy delicious room service any time of the day, as well as all sorts of snacks and sights poolside.
I'm currently enjoying the infinity pool here at Hacienda del Mar, and they have a number of other pools aside from this one that comes with the lounge chairs and the Bali beds. There is a children's pool with slides, there is a swim-up bar pool, and then there's an activity pool. Lots of pools that overlook this beautiful ocean.
While the resort has everything you could possibly need, heading to see the sights in Cabo is an absolute must.
Well, no trip to Cabo is complete without getting on a boat and getting out in the water to see El Arco and do some snorkeling. So what better way to do that than on your own private catamaran with La Isla Tours.
La Isla Tours offers private catamaran tours that take guests to a wide variety of locales around the peninsula, serving up delicious sips and bites while jamming out to tunes that make every sailing truly one of a kind. From visiting Cabo's most iconic site, El Arco, to a wide variety of beaches and snorkeling areas, any day with La Isla Tours is a perfect one.
All right, time to jump into this lovely Cabo water.
While many of the beaches around Cabo are not deemed swimmable due to dangerous currents, La Isla Tours knows exactly where to bring visitors so that they can experience the Baja waters and its inhabitants safely. The marina and downtown Cabo are packed with restaurants, shopping, and of course, world-famous nightlife. So be sure to pencil in time to check it all out in between all of that resort relaxation. Hacienda del Mar is not only a resort destination, but also a culinary one. So whether you're staying at the resort or not, 8 of their 11 on-site dining options are open to all. From seaside eats to street tacos, fine dining to coffee cakes, Hacienda del Mar is a foodie lover's dream. For a beachside authentic grill house dining experience, De Cortez is the perfect option.
So the chef knew I was vegan, so they offered some things that were on menu as well as off menu. This salad is on the menu. It's an organic salad with local greens with a delicious sorbet on top to give you that like refreshing feeling with the Brussels sprouts and the vinaigrette. This is a vegan beet carpaccio, and they used, again, all local produce. They made a foam, like a honey mustard balsamic foam. They've got pepitas. It looks absolutely divine. I'm ready to dig in.
No matter your dietary preferences, all the dining locations at the resort accommodate without sacrificing flavor, as their aim is to delight. The resort has so much to offer, from dining to water sports to concierge services that can assist with a variety of activities within Cabo. Plenty to keep every traveler busy.
So on property, if you miss breakfast or just want to grab a coffee, you can go to El Molino and get a latte and a concha and head out for your day.
For many travelers, pure relaxation is why they come to Cabo, and there's no place better to relax at Hacienda del Mar than their wonderful Cactus Spa. Boasting world-class spa services, state-of-the-art gym, hair and nail salon, as well as hot and cold plunges, saunas, and more, it's the perfect place to spend an afternoon. Their facilities, therapists, and treatments create a serene atmosphere to thoroughly rejuvenate you. Cactus Spa offers stimulating packages to restore your body and soul, including luxurious massages and signature treatments. Just a few steps from the beach, their spa aims to put you in a state of total relaxation.
Cactus Spa. Amazing.
Be it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, there's always some place to find a great meal, and Tomates is just the place. Tomates is the resort's buffet location and regularly changes themes, cuisines, and offerings daily. With full-service menu ordering as well as fully stocked buffet stations, Tomates is all about variety and freshness all day long. Tomates' breezy Mediterranean elegance and cuisine infused with fresh seasonal ingredients set the stage for a memorable dining experience. The restaurant veranda overlooks swaying palms and the Sea of Cortez beyond, providing an ideal place for diners to enjoy the resort's oceanfront surroundings. The grounds of Hacienda del Mar are breathtaking, from the beaches to the gardens to the pools. It's lovely just to take a stroll around the property.
I'm having dinner here at Pitayas, which is under the Palapa here at the Hacienda del Mar Hotel, one of their dining options, fine dining. Because the storm is coming, unfortunately we can't sit out under the Palapa or on the terrace, but I know that regularly it's probably gorgeous. But they have an indoor dining room that's lovely, sitting by the window, so we get to watch the storm and still have a delightful meal.
Fine dining served with a side of sunset bliss. Pitayas boasts Mexican Pacific Coast cuisine, showcasing local and imported products, making it one of the most iconic restaurants in Los Cabos since 1995. Serving up dazzling dishes, no matter your culinary preferences, a meal at Pitayas is not to be missed.
Do always love a sorbet palate cleanser.
For families visiting the resort, they offer a great kids club and rec room that hosts movie nights, craft hours, and more. Just another one of the thoughtful offerings for guests at Hacienda del Mar. But for those looking to spend time poolside, all of the pools at the resort offer sips and snacks to enjoy while taking a dip. Such as the Delfines and Las Fuentes swim-up bar, Las Sirenas, or the beach bar Tortugas. For fun drinks and small bites, El Burro Cansado and La Suerte bar are great for happy hour and late night eats. Cabo San Lucas is truly a gem on Mexico's Pacific coast. From its picturesque beaches and thrilling adventures to its stunning resorts and lively nightlife, the city offers an unforgettable vacation experience. So pack your bags, immerse yourself in the beauty of Cabo, and create memories that will last a lifetime.
Well, that's a wrap for Cabo, but I hope you'll join me again on the next Healthy Voyager. Bye!